Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis spine tutorial how to make strike line. So if you want to create strike lines, we can use the ruler tools. You can click this icon and then you can active for the ruler tools. I will show for the ruler in it. You can move into go horizontal or you can set into the vertical. So I will set in vertical and use rule tools in the brush. Okay, I will use this dim pen or you can use tip and soft and I will draw in it strike line from this point into here. Okay, I will draw again, so you can move the ruler like into this point and you can draw again from this point into here. If you want to draw in horizontal, you can rotate the rule and then you can draw again in the horizontal. So you can move and you can draw from this point into here. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis Spine X tutorial, how to make strike lines. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.